this is for because
What is that?
I've never made pasta in my life, but
I
it's
think it's the roll and make pasta.
maybe.
So this thing, what do you think this thing is?
I don't know. I have to put
That's
it.
a
I'm gonna
tea.
keep that.
Wait a minute, hang on. Let's
It's
see
for a
what
tea
it is.
bag.
And I opened this up.
tea
I have
bag.
no idea what this bag is
What is that? These are things we found in our...
in the drawer.
Oh, this is to make cookies. It's a cookie maker.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, you
Cheese
squeeze the
icing.
dough and stuff
Put it all
on.
in here and you push it in and fill it and do it. That's what that's for.
Look at, look at, look at, look at, look at.
The things they think of, huh?
The Pampered Chef was a big name, and I bought a bunch of stuff from them probably 30 years ago.
Look at all this. What is this? This is a masher.
That's for an avocado.
Oh, that's avocado squisher outer.
You know what this is?
What is that?
You know what it is?
No, I have no
Don't
idea.
show my nails. They're horrible.
I won't. What is it? It's a fish thing?
What do you think it is?
Bones.
Oh, that pulls bones out of fish.
Yes.
Oh my God. What is this?
Look at it. Hold it the other way. My God.
Oh, like this? Oh, it's a scooper.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
All right, what else we got? Oh my God, look at all this stuff. What is this thing? What's this do? I know what those are. Look at these things. We have so many weird things. What the hell is that? What? Look at this. That's for making pie, I guess. And this is a squishes. This is a garlic squisher. That's a pie making thing too. All right, so these are all the. Look at all. How many of these? Look at these graters. We got so many different things. And then all this stuff over here. And we read that black plastic is poison. We're getting rid of all those. Check this out. This is to make butter things. You smush it down on the butter, and then you get like, when you go to the, like when you go to a restaurant, they give you 2 squares of butter. That makes the squares of butter. And this, I don't know.